We're in Sevierville, Tennessee. We're at the 2025 Dixie Gas and Sign Show. They run this, I think, 3 times a year in the spring, fall, and also the winter. So we're going to be looking at some old gas and oil signs and gas pumps and all kinds of cool stuff like that, and check out some of the prices, and also just a lot of history of days gone by. As you could tell by the mud, it did rain yesterday and up to this morning, so got a little mud to deal with. But you park in this big field. Today is opening day. It's Thursday, and this is the busiest day. Last year we came on a Friday, and it wasn't as packed, and also you had fewer vendors. So highly recommend you get here on a Thursday.
With Canada plates.
That's pretty cool.
I got on the phone with Chip. I said, Chip, you know, get your damn.
It's not like you get on the microphone. We need this car moved.
Right. I said, where's your front end?
175.
I said, this goddamn.
Man, there is a lot of stuff here. So this place is seriously overwhelming. Look at Shell Loopster.
Oh wow.
Let's see that. Here is a 250. A lot of nice old advertising art. Sunbeam Red. That sign's $1,200. It's a nice Coke cooler. Some nice oil cans. I have this one. $250. Good, how are you? Good. That's a nice Defender. What have we got on that one? $249. Okay. I remember this guy's booth from last year. Look at these Wolf's Head flange signs. Those are nice. Let's see what these go for. $19.95. Real nice shape. Yeah, I definitely remember this guy. He had really cool displays. If you come to this event, make sure you bring plenty of cash. And they do a wheel and deal.
Anyway, but still your mind is going. Yeah, what I do wrong.
Now this caught my eye. I like the Flying A service sign, but I love the Richfield stuff. I only got a few pieces of it. That's really nice.
Hey, Michael, if you buy that, you won't have to take a picture of it.
That's right. That's right. Cool little Wolf's Head lollipop sign. Got one of those. That's a nice Wilson sign. Jeez. They have a lot of cool stuff down here. This stuff's just part of history. When these were service stations and not convenience stores. Now this would be an ideal situation, a trailer full of gas pumps. Who wouldn't want that? Look what you're surrounded by. It's a beautiful area. I think it's the English Mountain over there. I'm not an authority on Sevierville.
My bottom on is
Hey, how you guys doing? That's really cool. Man.
Howdy.
Hey, how you doing? Good.
Yes, sir.
Remember, my parents told me about these things. If you have any information about S&H green stamps, put in the comments. Because I think it was like a stamp, like a little booklet you collected, and they gave you stamps when you purchased items. I don't know what store it was, and you're needing them for, I don't know if it's gifts or what. This marathon.
Yeah.
This is catching my eye. This marathon, this Cougar. I'm not sure the price of this Cougar oil is $1,800. Eric just told me there's some really nice Sears oil, 5-gallon oil cans, and 2 gallons. Those are in nice shape. Jeez, I like the Sears cans. Gosh, those are cool. There's some nice pumps. Like he said, he's willing to negotiate. Big Texaco sign, Buckingham cigarettes. Yeah, she's pretty nice. SO pump. Golf sign with bullet holes through it. Oh man, look at these. I like the Richfield stuff. $9.75 for that Phillips. That's awesome. So Southern Oil System Tidal. Sinclair. So these golf carts are nice. Had one last year. My dad wasn't getting around too well, so got him one. It was $75, but man, they're fun to drive. But I just look at them building my leg muscles up. Oh, I love this golf. Man, that's cool. Okay. That'd be nice to have. Really like that. Let's see.
Yeah, I know. That's all like my wife.
Firestone flange. What's that run? Let's see. $17.50. Interesting stuff over here. American Oil sign. Askins Credit Clothing.
Got a license plate like that?
Huh?
Got a license plate like that?
No.
Look at that beefy thing.
$30? That's huge. Yeah. Yeah, some of this stuff's pretty cool. Did you see there was a neon sign up there? I forget who it was from, but it was really nice. Who was that?
Talking to somebody about it when I walked by.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I forget now. Because it was something we would have up in Cincinnati, and I figured he probably.
Yeah. It's a nice looking sign. Price on that. It's heavy. It's a Coney sign. Some of these signs have prices on them, some don't. There's a couple pumps where you
Oh, there's some really
clean up
on that trailer back there.
I saw a Sunoco one down here I wanted to look at. 1,500, 1,600, you could restore these. Here's some pumps for sale. Sunoco blue one interests me. See how much that runs. No price on it. Check out the Sinclair pump. It's $2,500. I'll probably keep it just the way it is. In our Arco. Then there's Dayton Refiners, which is a really rare. Pure oil. I do too. Any Firestone sign I like. Oh well. Chevrolet. That's fire department. That's pretty neat. How much is it? Let's see. No price. There's three things right there I'd take. Goodyear, the Golf, and the Sinclair. The Golf is awesome. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You're too cute. There's a pup. There's a gas pump for you to restore. $5.95. I wonder who painted these things. Those doors are neat. Mountain Dew, $200. Herbie Love Bugs, $200. That door's $400. Now that would be a nice haul. Richfield sign, a giant Golf, Texaco. And they're going to be auctioning these off. The Sinclair Union 76 in Texaco. Be neat to have one of these big signs, but where the heck do you put it? That could be yours for $1,800. That's $2,600 for that big Texaco. I think this Fisk Tires has been there last year. Okay.
Oh, I forgot. We probably didn't even look at this stuff. That whole row there.
Yeah. That lion sign is nice. Oh, look at this. That's nice. Yep, haven't been down this aisle. Hey, look at that Union 76 tire display. Eric's interested in this Union tire and tire display back. It's pretty nice. Holy. Big windstorms. Whew. There's some pumps that I've seen some better days. Richfield. That's nice. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. What about yourself?
Huh?
How about
You
yourself?
doing well?
Good.
Not working, so. Yeah. Some nice redone air pumps. Gosh, look at that. Coney kerosene. That's neat. Now that's pretty nice there. That's well done. This guy has some really interesting stuff. All right, so that's it for the fall 2025 Dixie Gas and Sign Show. I didn't end up buying anything. I saw a couple Richfield signs, but they're just too large. So thanks coming along with us.